want to become a registered pharmacist in Ireland after completing your graduation in your home country? Hello everyone, welcome to Academically. I am Sunidhi Shahi, your host. If you dream of building a healthcare career abroad but do not have enough information or guidance, Academically is the perfect platform for you. We make informative videos about becoming a registered healthcare professional abroad, steps to be taken, cost involved, salary insights and much more. These videos can definitely help you make a good decision for your life. Therefore, we request you to please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated. I am Sunidhi Shahi, and in today's video, I will be walking through the steps involved in becoming a registered pharmacist in Ireland. Generally speaking guys, there are 5 major steps. Even if you have completed your PharmD degree from your home country, you can still take this pathway. Step number 1. Application for verification. During this process, you have to submit certain documents required. Number 1, your degree and transcript. Number 2, certificate of good standing. Next, valid passport and a government ID proof. Passport sized photograph and a registration certificate. Step number 2, PSI Equivalence exam. If you are from a country outside the European Union, clearing this exam is definitely mandatory. The PSI Equivalence exam is conducted by the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland. The 2 parts of this exam are multiple choice questions, MCQs, objective structured clinical examination, OSCE. Step number 3, adaptation. After clearing the PSI Equivalence exam, aspirants must undergo through an adaptation period which is equivalent to an internship. The duration of this process ranges from 6 months to 3 years. It will be determined on the basis of your exam score. Step number 4, English proficiency. To practice in Ireland, having a good hold on the English language is important. For this, you have to demonstrate your English proficiency with any of the tests such as IELTS, OET, TOEFL or CAE. Step number 5, application for registration. By this time, you would have completed your adaptation and proved your English proficiency. Now you have to apply for pharmacist registration in Ireland with the Pharmaceutical Society of Ireland. Clearing the professional registration exam, PRE is an important step involved in obtaining registration. Sounds incredible, right? To make things better, the average annual salary of registered pharmacist in Ireland is 74,929 euros. To make this dream come true, partner with Academically right away. We provide guidance for the entire process and train you to crack your exam on your first attempt. Fill out the form given in the description and get a free 101 counseling session with the experts at Academically. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends and colleagues. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be coming up with another video soon.